Govinda's Bhanji, Govinda's nephew, Govinda's niece. So I feel it's unfair to him, and I feel it's not right because there are many cousins. Everybody has done a lot of substantial work now to take this kind of reference. Then why even listen to the person? If the person has no identity other than their relation, then the person is redundant. If you only want to remember my relation with my uncle, so then I am wondering where is my work in the picture? And I never bring my family matters out. I never discuss. So if the relation fetches my producer viewership, so that's what everyone eggs on. I have nothing on my mind. I'm just blank. I'm just a blank slate. Oh, I'd love to go to coffee with Karan with Chichima. It will embarrass us to no end. Because that's the equation I don't share with him. I mean, I'm too silent in front of him. We are like Terry Fauna. And the kind of questions they ask. So I think it'll be a very discomforting, embarrassing episode for both of us. Which will be great content.
हाय गाइस, स्वागत है आपका बॉलीवुड बबल में। मैं हूं हर्षिता बबेली और आज हमारे साथ जो है उन्हें मैं कहना चाहूंगी मल्टी टैलेंटेड गर्ल हरसेल्फ रागिनी खन्ना। वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड बबल।
थैंक यू सो मच।
कैसे हो आप?
मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ, आप कैसी हैं?
मैं भी बहुत अच्छी हूँ और आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर टुडेज इंटरव्यू क्योंकि आपके साथ है और आपके इतने फैंस हैं। एक्चुअली में स्टिल आपका हर एक कैरेक्टर इतने प्यार से वो याद करते हैं, रील्स आती है हमारे पास। कैसा लगता है जब फैंस इतना आपको प्यार देते हैं?
आई थिंक दिस इज जेन्युइन लव। जब आपके काम की रिकॉल वैल्यू है, सो आई थिंक it's a blessing. I mean, I didn't expect this kind of impact. So it's really great.
आपका जब फर्स्ट शो डेब्यू हुआ था 2008 में, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, उस समय की कास्टिंग का क्या सिनेरियो था? कैसे आपने, बिकॉज अभी नो कि आपने काफ़ी स्ट्रगल किया है, स्ट्रगलिंग लाइफ से आपने ऑलरेडी वो चीज़ मुकाम हासिल किया है, तो उस समय कैसे कास्टिंग हुई? क्या क्या प्रोजेक्ट्स के समय क्या क्या आपने डिफ़िकल्टीज फेस की?
तो उस वक्त आजकल कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स हैं, उस वक्त दे यूज्ड टू बी कॉल्ड मॉडल कोऑर्डिनेटर्स। So I got my portfolio done and I spread my pictures across, and so I took all the numbers from my brother because he was already in the ad circuit. So I distributed my pictures everywhere and they kept sending me for auditions. So I used to give around, the target was to give at least one audition a day. That was like, if you have not given one audition a day, then the day is not successful for me. So that started multiplying and it started to 7 to 8 auditions a day. Wow. So I was fortunate, मुझे एक साल में मेरा पहला टीवी शो मिल गया।
कैसे सेट पे जाना, एक्सपीरियंस करना, और जब आप कैमरे के सामने गए फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपीरियंस किया, कैसी रही आपकी फीलिंग?
I don't know how it was. Actually it was कुछ ऐसे कुछ फील ही नहीं हुआ क्योंकि हमारा पहला शॉट विक्टोरिया टर्मिनस पे शूट हुआ। तो हमारे जो डायरेक्टर थे गोल्डी सर, सिद्धार्थ सेन गुप्ता जी, उन्होंने बोला बस कुछ नहीं करना है, तुमको बस रोड क्रॉस करके चल के आ जाना है। तो द फर्स्ट शॉट वाज राधा की बेटिया में हम मेरठ से मुंबई हमारे स्टेशन पे ट्रेन आई है और हम स्टेशन से घर जा रहे हैं, रोशन अमू के घर
जी।
तो बस उतना ही था, रोड क्रॉस करके आना था। दैट्स इट। उसके पहले एक्चुअली हुआ ये था कि बहुत सारी पिक्चरें ऑफर हुई थी, तो वो पिक्चरों में 2 पिक्चरें साइन कर ली थी, 2-3 की कुछ अनाउंसमेंट्स हो गई, 2-3 फ्लोर पे भी आई थी। फिर उनका पता नहीं कुछ ना कुछ हिसाब किताब कुछ आई थिंक जमा नहीं, या कहीं ना कहीं वो इनकम्प्लीट हो गया। वो किसी की 1 दिन की शूट रह गई, किसी का कुछ हो गया, मुहूर्त करके कैंसिल हो गया। बट देन राधा की बेटियां वाज द फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट टू कम ऑन फ्लोर एंड गो ऑन एयर, तो इट वाज फाइन। या
अभी हाल फिलहाल में इंडस्ट्री काफ़ी आगे बढ़ गई है 2008 से, आप अभी भी बहुत सारे चेंजेस देख रहे होगे। आपके हिसाब से क्या चेंजेस आपने फील किए हैं इंडस्ट्री में?
मेरे हिसाब से द स्टूडियो सिस्टम हैज़ एंटर्ड। तो एक्चुअली मेरे लिए इतना ज़्यादा फ़र्क अब क्यों लग रहा है, क्योंकि बचपन में व्हेन आई वाज नॉट एन एक्टर, producers were the be all and the end all of the film.
जी।
The producers used to get somehow manage finances, put the picture on the floor. There was nothing called as a line producer. एक producer होता था, financer होता था और executive producer होता था. So when I got into television, we got into the habit of corporate structure because it was huge international concerns who were in television. Sony हो गया, Star हो गया, NDTV Imagine हो गया. I mean there were very big corporate concerns. So उससे मेरी training corporate culture की हुई. And by the time I entered the movie business, my first film was with Mr. Rakesh Mehra.
जी.
But then I never interacted directly with the studio. But in television, you directly interact with the channel. Maybe there's a lot of more work in, there's more, like you have to work every day for years. That is why probably. But movie with the studio system coming in, the the hierarchy really like took in charge. So when there was a financier was out, it was the studio, and then the producer was something, and then there is a line producer, then there is an executive producer, then you come to know that the director, I mean the first AD is everything on the set.
जी.
This was something I was not, this was like a wow, it was like a revelation to me that the first AD does everything. And all my life I've just seen the director, calling the shots and the assistants running around. But when I worked with Rakesh sir, I saw Mrigdeep Singh Lamba was my first director, and since then I saw the first AD is everything. Then I understood जो bifurcations थी ना, it got more systematic, it got more organized. It was an organized structure. So even the finances were secure, the release was secure, the exhibitor, distributor, producer, they were all like sorted beforehand before you go on the floor. So that was my idea because मेरी पहले शो करने के पहले जो 3-4 पिक्चरें साइन थी वो बनी नहीं, मुहूर्त अनाउंसमेंट हो गई और एक की तो शूट भी हो गई. So that way it was pretty nice.
बट स्टिल कहीं ना कहीं टीवी इंडस्ट्री जो बहू वाले रोल से स्टक है, एक अबला नारी वाला जो फेज है, आपको नहीं लगता कि इंडियन सोसाइटी अभी भी उसी चीज़ से आगे बढ़े जा रही है? लाइक अनुपमा अभी एक सीरियल आया है, वो काफ़ी बढ़िया किया है कि कुछ चीज़ों को हाईलाइट किया गया है, लेकिन डू यू थिंक कि नीड है टीवी इंडस्ट्री को थोड़ा और मॉडिफाई करने की और थोड़े और ऐसे शोज़ निकालने की जो थोड़ा एक स्तर से ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ पाए?
I haven't seen the show. I don't have cable right now. I'm watching a lot of OTT stuff, and I'm a lot because I'm working in YouTube right now. So all my work, research, and all my viewing is majorly on YouTube and OTT because OTT पे मेरी काफ़ी films release हुई हैं. And अभी ससुराल गेंदा फूल भी अभी
बिल्कुल
OTT पर ही है.
हॉटस्टार.
तो मेरा सारा काम फिलहाल OTT पर है और YouTube पर है जो नया generate कर रही हूँ. So television doesn't have my attention right now. But see, television is very reflective. Cinema, television, theatre, or any form of art is always a reflection of the times you live in and the socio-political conditions you're going through. So television will only reflect what's going on in reality. Television is not a lie. If it was a lie, it wouldn't have garnered the kind of response and the kind of viewership it achieves. There's a lot of relatability, and it's really fancy to see people really well dressed every day, to see the jewelry, to see the kind of draping of the sari, to see the kind of styling, to see the kind of household issues. So there's a lot of relatability. It's a little stylized compared to real life. I mean, they don't show the actors as disheveled and as harrowed as people can get in real life. But then a little liberties are taken, which is for filming purposes, which I think is fair enough. And if you talk in terms of exhibition, in terms of execution of content, which is a little OTT and over the top, but it is garnering a lot of viewership, it's getting a lot of ratings. So how do you challenge that? Unless and until somebody really enters the market and breaks the stereotype, makes a bi-weekly show or makes a weekly show, and handles it very sensitively. The undertones need to be stronger, the subtext needs to be stronger, the actors need to be far more superior. Only then you can break the clutter. Otherwise, getting into the Monday to Sunday realm and trying to challenge that kind of storytelling format is not possible just by conversation. You have to be on the floor, you have to make it work and set it right.
आज का जो ये दौर है वो काफ़ी बढ़ते जा रहा है, OTT तक लोग पहुंच गए हैं और आई थिंक सिनेमा से ज़्यादा OTT को लोग प्रेफर कर रहे हैं क्योंकि घर पे बैठ के आपको एक फ्री फॉर्म मिल रहा है, आप मूवीज़ देख सकते हो, शोज़ देखते हो. आपको क्या लगता है कि आगे के सिनेरियो में OTT विल टेक स्टेप और सिनेमा थोड़ा सा पीछे रह सकता है?
See, cinema never goes out of style. Television never goes out of style. Radio never goes out of style. we have a addition which is OTT. So what OTT is done, OTT is premium viewing experience. Firstly, it's expensive, but compared to theater going experiences, it is far more cost effective. But television is far cheaper, so the budgets have really been bifurcated and they are equally distributed.
जी.
So the OTT web shows, the quality in terms of storytelling, acting, writing is far more superior. It is premium viewing. But television is everyday, घर का दाल चावल. And OTT web shows could be probably a restaurant weekend outing, you know, which more or less is a cinema going audience which will cater to.
जी.
So जो cinema going audience wants to watch premium continuous content. So every day you cannot sit and think for a new film every day. Like me and mom have a fixed time that 8 o'clock we will watch TV. Irrespective, we have to watch some content. So 8 o'clock we either choose a web show or we choose a film, but every day we cannot generate new films. So we choose a OTT web series, or now I'm watching a TV show after eons. But it's very, now I've noticed the show I'm watching is very fresh, very upbeat.
जी.
So I think television, you know, the kind of audience it caters to is a very, it's not an audience which is very, very financially very secure, and it is the middle class and the lower middle class. So it just has to keep you, it just has to rejuvenate your sense. It is made to make you happy. It is made to get your mind off the everyday का घिसा पिटा, you know, रोज की थकावट से हटाने के, दिमाग फ्रेश करने के लिए टीवी का शो होता है, which I think is doing great.
आपके काफ़ी सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स रहे हैं, जैसे अगर आप अभी मेरे से बात कर रहे हो तो सुहाना मेरे दिमाग में बार बार जो एक कैरेक्टर एक इम्पैक्ट छोड़ देता है, फैंस आपके क्रेज के वो हो जाते हैं. लेकिन आपका कौन सा फेवरेट कैरेक्टर रहा है जो आपको लगता है कि हाँ रागनी का रिलेट कर सकता है? जैसे काफ़ी सारे कैरेक्टर आपने प्ले किया है.
अभी फिलहाल का सबसे फेवरेट कैरेक्टर है रागिनी खन्ना.
वो
जिसने मुझे ही आश्चर्यचकित कर दिया है. सबसे फेवरेट कैरेक्टर रागिनी खन्ना.
ये बट नाइस. फैमिली का क्या रिस्पॉन्स रहता है जब आप इतना अच्छा करते हो और माँ बाप और काफ़ी प्राउड फील करते होंगे, क्या रिस्पॉन्स रहता है
They are
फैमिली का?
very appreciative, they are very supporting, and they are very, like, you know, they give their inputs, they tell me this was really great, this, I mean, they are very very motivating.
वाओ. कहीं ना कहीं आपने स्टार्ट करने से पहले कुछ प्रेशर फील किया? बिकॉज गोविंदा सर भी हैं लेजेंडरी, आपके फैमिली से ही ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे लोग जो एक्टिंग में ऑलरेडी थे. कभी ना कभी आपने वो प्रेशर फील किया है कि बार ऑलरेडी सेट है और आपको वहाँ तक पहुँचना है?
नहीं, you know, artistry, in my opinion, is very personal, and according to me, you set your own ground. You set your own tonalities, you set your own benchmark. I mean, firstly, I'm a girl, so I'm not competing with any male actor, because biologically I don't want to compete. I'm made different than the men. So I will try to achieve the best a woman can achieve in my capacity. So I think television was a great groundbreaking barrier for me, because there are stories by the women for the women, and the heroine is the be all and the end all of a TV show. So it really give me a lot of ego boost, because, you know, all I had seen a lot of major commercial pot boilers are very male driven egocentric movies, you know, like, which are very high on the male dominance, and the heroine always had 2 songs and 5 love making scenes and the end credit song, which also I have done, which has its own beauty. I mean, looking that pretty and dancing in those heels is not a very easy task to do. It's very difficult. But every establishment has its own challenges and has its own what do you call it? Own gifts and troubles.
बट रागनी, कभी आपने ये इवन माई सेल्फ, अगर मैं मुंबई आई हूँ तो आई वॉन्ट टू मेक माई ओन नेम इंस्टेड ऑफ बींग कॉल्ड माई फादर्स नेम, और मेरे घर में किसी का भी नाम से. तो कभी आपको वो लगा है कि गोविंदा की भांजी जो एक टाइटल बहुत सालों से चलता है, इवन अभी भी कहीं ना कहीं वो कनेक्ट कर देते हैं, उससे कभी आपको फ्रस्ट्रेशन हुआ है या कभी आपको लगा है?
मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आता है कि because it's in the acting realm and he's done a lot of work, so obviously it's easier for people to remember it like that. So it's people are very the audiences become very convenient. I mean, you don't want to remember a name, you want to remember a relation. So if the relation fetches my producer viewership, so that's what everyone eggs on, you know. know, and not discrediting anyone for the repertoire and the work of caliber they have achieved. I feel it just increases your struggle as a newcomer, you know, because for a new person who's on a shaky ground, who doesn't know where to go, who's a little directionless, and then you're all suddenly burdened with such a heavy image, and it's a very big responsibility.
वाओ बट जब आप मिलते होगे सब रियूनियन होता होगा तो कभी किसी ने एक दूसरे को हाईलाइट दिया है या कुछ लेसन्स आपको मिले हैं गोविंदा सर के
No,
साइड
it's
से
very funny because all my cousins come get the title of Govinda's Bhanji, Govinda's nephew, Govinda's niece. So I feel it's unfair to him, and I feel it's not right because there are many cousins and everybody has done a lot of substantial work now to take this kind of reference, because I think, I mean, he's never told us anything. He's very sweet that way. But I think it's unfair to him and us as well, because now, after a lot of work, you know, I think you should remember a talent or just don't interview that person.
जी
Don't talk to the person. If the person has no recognition, then why even listen to the person? If the person has no identity other than the relation, then the person is of the person is redundant.
somewhere it might be frustrating because
It's not
आपके
frustrating. It's discrediting the person of its talent and its hard work.
जी बिल्कुल
Now, after doing so much work, if you only want to remember my relation with my uncle, so then I'm wondering where is my work in the picture? After working for 16, 17 years in the industry, you still want to acknowledge me as my relation. I mean, मेरा रिश्ता तो मरते दम तक रहेगा.
बिल्कुल रहेगा.
वो जन्म से है, वो मरते दम तक
जी.
रहेगा. वो मेरे साथ जिंदगी भर है. लेकिन आप लोगों का पॉइंट ऑफ कनेक्ट वही क्यों है, वो मुझे समझना है. The audience confuses me.
जी
Why does the audience need his name? I mean, and I never bring my family matters out. I never discuss my personal equations. My family, friends are very sacred to me. You know, my relationships at home, at work are very sacred. I never bring them out. I really strictly keep it to work. So I just find it just, you know, it dilutes my work conversation, you know, because I'm really putting my content out there, and then you're talking, oh, she's this relative, she's this. But then my nani is a very big singer.
जी
My nana was a very big actor. My father's done production. My father's a producer. My brother's done. Then there is Krishna. Then my mother's done so much work. I have so many cousins. Just one name को आप एक इंसान को आप कितना use करेंगे? I don't like using his name because I think he's he's legendary for me. So I think it's unfair to him also.
आपका खुद का इतना प्यारा ग्राफ रहा है एक्टिंग में, इवन सिंगिंग में अगर टैलेंट की बात करें तो जो आप सिंगर की एक अभी आपने जैसे बोला यूट्यूब चैनल भी आपने स्टार्ट किया है, तो कैसे ये न्यू चीज़ें जो आ रही है उसमें आपके और क्या क्या प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं जिसको आप करने के लिए बिल्कुल एक्साइटमेंट से कर सकते हो?
So अभी फिलहाल I was very kicked about the YouTube work Mummy's done.
Yeah.
YouTube was very refreshing for me. It broke a lot of stereotypes for me in my head. It broke a lot of storytelling format in my head. It slashed my budgets, and it brought me down to a very ground level of work. So which I think was very challenging. Because I've been spoiled by all my productions and my directors. You know, I mean, touchwood, I've worked with the creme de la creme of directors and producers. You know, they're very skilled and all. Somehow, I've only worked with FTII or SRFTI. You know, these kind of people have hired me. So for me to be on my own and then establish myself something on my own was a very big challenge, and I didn't want to embarrass them. After doing so much work, I didn't want my work to look cringe-worthy.
जी
At least I didn't want it to look like, "Ye kya kar rahi hai?" It is embarrassing us that why did we ever cast her? You know,
I understand.
So my stress was that it shouldn't cringe them, even if it doesn't work. At least, nahi chala, aake nikal gaya, no problem. At least it will not shame them that what kind of an actor we had cast, you know. So otherwise, it's fine for me.
बट स्टिल अगर आपको कोई सीरियल और कास्ट करने के लिए आते तो रागिनी अब कौन से सीरियल की तरह अपकमिंग देख सकती है कि हाँ ये एक स्क्रिप्ट है जो मैं कर सकती हूँ, ये मेरी पर्सनालिटी के हिसाब की है?
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है फिलहाल। ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है अभी, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है।
बट रियलिटी शोज अगर आप करना चाहें?
I have nothing on my mind. I'm just blank. I'm just a blank slate. I mean जितना वो अंदर का वो उबाल था वो सब खत्म हो गया है. I just want to be at peace now. Even if I work or I don't work, I just want it to be very peaceful and I want it to be hassle free.
आप स्पिरिचुअल भी हैं काफ़ी, मेडिटेशन स्पिरिचुअलिटी कितना हेल्प करती है एज अ पर्सन आपको?
It really helps you. Meditation really calms you. It generates you. It regenerates you. I mean, acting is something which is emotionally so taxing. It just degenerated me, as you know, in so many places. I gave away so much of my own personal life that even I was like, I'm at a loss of emotion for everybody in my personal life. So meditation, spirituality, getting grounded with religion, it really brought me back to my roots.
Wow.
I mean, the whole exercise of taking a break from acting was, you know, to get back to my own reflexes, get back to my own behavior. I mean, I just forgot how to react. I just forgot what I like to wear, what hair I like, what, you know, what I just got confused with me. I just became a khichdi of all characters in me, you know, and I lost reflexes. I had no body sensation. I didn't feel hot, I didn't feel cold. I just went blank. मैं शून्य में चली गई थी. And I was like, you ask me and I'll just keep looking at you. And then I will process the whole question and then I'll then you'll get an output. So all this is a repercussion of overwork and not sleeping on time. You can't blame anybody for that. These are choices I have made and I bear the brunt of it. But I also learned to replenish and reconstruct.
Wow. Now how it feels to be back, like Ragini Khanna is back.
Ragini Khanna is back. Am I? Where did I go?
But as a person, like आपने बोला ना कि बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें सर पे आ गई थी और बहुत चीज़ें आप सोचने लग गए थे. But now you are back. Like हाँ, अब मैं.
I only want to thank my doctors and my family who have really, you know, taken the hit with me. I really want to make it up to them because the people who have helped me get back on my feet, I really want to make it up to them now.
God is always with you.
Thank you.
चलिए बढ़ते हैं हमारे सेगमेंट की तरफ.
Yes.
हमारा रैपिड फायर सेगमेंट है.
Oh my God.
Yes.
This rapid fire is like stealing everyone's thunder. है ना?
Okay. First is your celebrity crush, देसी और international, कोई भी.
DC or international? Oh my God. There's so many that I can't even think of a name currently. There's so many. Crush as in I don't like crush. I don't have heart eyes for anyone anymore. There's just currently I'm in a very analytical I'm in a very analytical frame of mind. So I'm just I want to lose that. I want to lose that judgment in my head which is developed because of work. So I'm trying to get off that.
Okay.
I'm developing new crushes.
Okay. What was the last time you had on food? Like आपने last time क्या ऐसा खाया जो आपको बहुत ही tasty लगा?
I love mangoes.
Mangoes.
Yeah. I love mangoes and I'm on a very strict diet. But I really told my nutritionist, please, I cannot not have mangoes. And I'm really craving bread butter and I'm craving Parle G. I don't know.
आपने कभी पार्ले जी के साथ पानी में डिप करके पानी
बचपन में I used to eat. That was my option to not having chai. So, but that 1 cup of chai and Parle G, and I used to put makhan on Parle G and dip it and have.
Oh my God! Wow.
And I want to have. Oh my God! I want to have shahi tukda also.
इसके बाद हम खाते हैं.
It's so deep fried. I mean, that one shahi tukda will take my entire month of nutrition, of diet regime. That one piece of bread will take it all away. So I can't eat.
Oh my God. Who is more dramatic, you or your TV characters?
My TV characters.
As a person, you are very sant, swabhav.
I'm just a blink and miss girl, you know. I mean, I'm the girl in the. I mean, if there is, I'm the girl who will be sitting in the corner and you won't even take notice of. I'm that missable. I just don't like to be the center of attention. I love my quietness. I love my corner. I love my seclusion. I love my introvertedness. And that's just self-preservation for me.
But it's okay.
Like, I'm also the life of the party. And like, if I'm out there, then I'm really the center of attention. But if you talk to me as if as a school child or as somebody in college, I'm always the girl in the quiet corner. very secluded, very introvert.
दिस और दैट, पहला है OTT थ्रिलर और टीवी फैमिली ड्रामा.
I've not done both. I've done OTT movies
नहीं,
and
as
I've
a
done
choice.
family slice of life rom-com.
Okay.
So both are no.
Okay. गोविंदा डांस ऑफ और कॉफी विद करण इनवाइट.
Invite मतलब?
आप गोविंदा जी के साथ डांस ऑफ चैलेंज लोगे या कॉफी विद करण के साथ एक पे इनवाइट पे जाओगे?
Chichi Mama के साथ?
हाँ.
Oh, I'd love to go to Coffee with Karan with Chichi Mama. It will embarrass us to no end. Because that's the equation I don't share with him. I mean, I'm too silent in front of him. We are like peripona. And the kind of questions they ask. So I think it'll be a very discomforting, embarrassing episode for both of us, which will be great content.
Content. Of course. With Karan sir. Oh my God. Legend.
I mean, he really does read in between lines.
Okay. A homemade khichdi or 5-star sushi. Which one you prefer?
I like both, but if you say like every day, though I can have khichdi every day.
Khichdi every day.
But I love sushi. I'm vegetarian, but I love sushi on like. But I think it's really yummy.
Okay.
I love wasabi.
So अब आपको एक वर्ड देना है. मैं आपको एक एक्टर या एक्ट्रेस या कुछ भी एक वर्ड दूंगी. आपको उसके बारे में एक वर्ड बोलना है.
Okay.
मैं एक नाम दूंगी आपको.
Okay.
पहला yourself.
Unpredictable.
Unpredictable. Oh my God, I also written it. Unfiltered and same. Okay. Aarti.
Cousin.
OTT platforms.
Revelation.
Family.
Very important.
Fame.
A byproduct.
Trolls.
Important.
Love.
Incomplete without love. Like life is incomplete without love. I just have to give a word.
Yeah.
So love is a necessity.
Big Boss.
Reality TV.
ससुराल गेंदा फूल.
My most cherished memory.
मुंबई.
Home.
चलिए, that's all our segment. आपसे बात करके काफ़ी मज़ा आया है और I don't know but मुझे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आ गया है इतनी सारी conversation करके. Hopefully आपको भी आया होगा.
Yeah, it was fun.
Okay, thank you so much आपका समय देने के लिए हमको.
Thank you, Harshita. I enjoyed talking to you. Hi, this is Ragini Khanna and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.